Stop by and take a look at the 2018 BMW X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.